Hi everyone, I am Marie Chris Manglalan from BSIT2C, and now I am going to share my personal reflection about the different Zumba type through answering the 3 different questions. First, which Zumba style do you like the most and why? My favorite Zumba style are the Origin Zumba Fitness and Zumba Toning. The original is preferred for blending Latin and international rhythms to make exercise fun, while also boosting mood, building endurance, improving coordination, and being accessible to all. Zumba toning is a close second, combining cardio with strength training using light weights or stick. Second, how do this Zumba style contribute to overall health and fitness? Zumba fitness and Zumba toning are great for overall health. The original style improves heart health, improve skills, and move with fun. Easy dance, Zumba toning adds strength training to build muscles, boost metabolism, straighten bones, and help with daily tasks. And it also lifts the mood. Together, they give you a balanced mix of physical and mental benefits that don't feel like works. And that's all. Thank you.